step one, we ordered the pack from CJ Fallon to arrive at the school, opened it up, looked at a few samples of work that were there. Then as a class we decided on what our topic was going to be for our own book. Individually then, each student came up with their own ideas, wrote it, reviewed it and edited it.
And then we did the drawings, put the whole lot together, put it in an envelope and put it in the post.
And then the books arrived and the unveiling of the books together as a whole class.
It was something that made them think, and to think what it might be like to be a published author. So yeah, I was really, really pleased with it overall.